Once upon a time, in a small village by the sea, there lived a poor fisherman named Raju. Every morning, Raju would wake up early, take his small boat, and row out to the ocean to catch fish. He didn't catch many, but he always caught enough to feed his family. One sunny morning, as Raju was fishing, he felt a strong pull on his fishing line. This must be a big fish, he thought excitedly. He struggled and pulled with all his might until he finally reeled in his catch. To his surprise, it wasn't a fish at all. It was a shiny golden fish. Even more shocking, the fish spoke. "Please don't hurt me, kind fisherman," the fish said in a soft voice. "If you let me go, I will grant you one wish." Raju was astonished. He had never heard of a fish that could talk, let alone one that could grant wishes. After thinking for a moment, Raju said, "I don't need much. I just wish for enough food to feed my family every day." The golden fish smiled. "Your wish is granted. From now on, you will never have to worry about feeding your family. Now please let me go." Raju gently put the fish back into the water. As he rowed home, he couldn't help but wonder if the fish had really kept its promise. When Raju arrived home, he was amazed. His wife greeted him with a smile and said, "Look, Raju, fresh food appeared in our kitchen this morning. Rice, vegetables, and even fruits." From that day onward, Raju's family always had just enough food for every meal. The kitchen never overflowed, but it was never empty. Word about the golden fish spread quickly in the village. A greedy neighbor named Dhanraj heard the story and decided to catch the fish for himself. The next morning, Dhanraj went to the same spot with a big net. After hours of waiting, he caught the golden fish. "Grant me 3 wishes," Dhanraj demanded arrogantly. The golden fish looked at him sadly. "I can grant you 1 wish, not 3. Choose wisely." Dhanraj thought hard. He wanted wealth, power, and fame, but he could only pick one. Finally, he said, "I want to be the richest man in the world." The golden fish sighed and said, "Your wish is granted." When Dhanraj returned home, he found a chest full of gold and jewels. But as the days passed, he grew unhappy. He no longer had friends because everyone was jealous of his riches, and he felt lonely. He realized too late that his wish had brought him more trouble than joy. Meanwhile, Raju continued to live a simple and happy life with his family. Every day, he thanked the golden fish for the gift of food and never asked for more. Moral of the story: be content with what you have. Greed can never bring true happiness, but gratitude and simplicity can lead to a fulfilling life. For more such stories, do subscribe and hit the like button.